Hey everybody, kind of everything's going quick, so we're just making some quick food. Alright, if you look inside here, we took 4 chicken breasts, threw them jewels in there. What we're going to do is we're going to make a Crockpot chicken. So inside, that is actually cream of chicken soup. Okay, we got a little bit of mess going on, but overlook it. Alright, cream of chicken soup. We got 4 chicken breasts. We got a half a cup of water. And I've got 2 chicken gravies. Yeah, I got the Laurel in because Ingalls is a big hit down here in South Carolina. And we're going to put those in. We're going to mix these up real good. I'm going to smother it all over that jewel. And then I'm going to put the crock pot on high for 4 to 6 hours till the chicken is pretty done and falling apart. And then when it's done, we can reduce the heat and we can start tearing the chicken apart, into little strands, striations, whatever you want to call it, and it'll be ready to eat. So this will be a, we're at what, noon, 1 something. So this will be a decent little dinner. Put some sides to it and we'll be good. I got a couple other things I'm gonna fix today just for funsies so we have something, but and now you can see we got that in there. Yeah. Alright, well, I think we got us a good start there, Tyler Bug. I guess in 4 to 6 hours we're going to find out if it turned out right. Okay. Alright, fellas, check back with you. Okay, so our chicken, what we done was we had it on like the pot roast on high for about an hour or 2. Then we turned it down to low, and then we took 2 forks and we started pulling the chicken apart. I made some stuffing and we put the chicken on there. I mean, it's done. It looks great. And I still think it needs a little bit more salt.
I think it's good.
You want to try? I'll let you try.
Hot.
It's a little warm. It just came out of the crock pot.
Yeah, thanks for that. That's good though.
All right, folks. Well, give her a try. Tell us how you like it.